2022 Cadillac XT4 Sport with only 15,000 miles. Hi everyone, this is Carter. I own Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. I am back with another uncut, unedited, unfiltered, what you see is what you get off the cuff vehicle video. Bought brand new over in Billings, Montana. This two-owner is super clean. Again, only 15,000 miles. Has the full bumper-to-bumper warranty on it. Well, remaining of full factory bumper-to-bumper warranty. It's been independently inspected. Fresh cleanup, fresh service. It's ready to go. Again, you got the factory warranty on it, but you can extend that very reasonably in our finance office. Speaking of finance, get pre-approved at AutoramaAuto.com. That's AutoramaAuto.com. Click on the vehicle, click on Get Approved. Once you're approved, you're in and out under 20 minutes once you say yes on the paperwork. Seriously, everyone dreads car shopping. We get it. We're not one of those places that keeps you for hours. We don't do that. But if you really want to be quick, get pre-approved. You come in, you test drive the car, you like it, you love it, you take the time that you need. But once you say yes, we're done. 15, 20 minutes. We're not going to keep you all day. I think today we had a guy that was pre-approved. I think he was here 7 minutes. Like, we're not going to keep you all day once the paperwork is authorized to go. Again, only 15,000 miles. It is the Sport, which are kind of far and few. It's got the big panoramic roof. It's black on black. Apple and Android CarPlay, navigation, remote start, heated and cooled seats up front, heated rear seat. Just a really nice, good-looking Cadillac here on this XT4. What else can we talk? Let's talk about price. Well, there's not a whole lot of these out there, but I know that you're going to find them priced cheaper than what I priced mine at. Why? Because I have honest pricing. I have the price you see is the price you pay, drive it away pricing. Price you see, price you pay, drive it away. That excludes state fees if you want us to collect them. You can pay them on your own, too. We do have a $145 dock fee. That is not hidden. That is low for a dock fee. And we're going to give it to you for free. That's right. Corey, give them a free dock fee. If they say they saw in the video, they get a free dock fee. That's a little gift from me to you here. So let's recap. 2022 Cadillac XT4 Sport. That's a hard one to find. 15,000 miles. Bought brand new in Billings, Montana. 105-point inspection. Third-party inspected. Balance of factory bumper-to-bumper warranty. Fast financing. No hidden fees. Price you see is a price you pay. Drive it away. I like to call that the Autorama advantage. Come and join us, folks.